Are you on the hunt for a robust plant-based protein source? Let me introduce you to Moringa. This vibrant green leaf is a true nutritional gem. Brimming with protein and vital nutrients, Moringa is perfect for fitness lovers. First, let's explore what Moringa really is. Often called the drumstick tree, it hails from Africa and Asia. Its leaves, pods, and seeds are not only edible, but also packed with nutrition. Moringa leaves boast an impressive 25% protein by weight. That's even higher than meat or soy. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins A, C, and E. These help fight oxidative stress in your body. Now let's discover how to weave Moringa into your daily meals. Step 1. Stir Moringa powder into your smoothies. This boosts nutrition seamlessly without changing the flavor. Step 2. Brew herbal teas with Moringa. It's invigorating and offers a delightful lift in energy. Step 3. Dust Moringa over salads or soups. This gives your dishes a nutritious kick. It's clear why Moringa is celebrated as a superfood. For instance, an athlete might blend Moringa into their post-workout smoothie. This not only aids muscle recovery but also energizes. With Moringa in your diet, you effortlessly raise your protein intake. It's ideal for vegans, vegetarians, and anyone seeking healthy protein options. In conclusion, Moringa stands out as a remarkable alternative to common protein sources. It's versatile, tasty, and immensely nutritious. Ready to elevate your wellness journey? Begin adding Moringa to your diet today. Explore the links below for Moringa-based recipes and products. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for additional fitness insights. Moringa can easily be included in a variety of dishes, such as smoothie bowls. Mix Moringa powder into your favorite smoothie bowl for extra nutrition and vibrant hues. Energy bars. Blend Moringa into homemade energy bars, pairing it with nuts and dried fruits for a protein-rich treat. Pasta dishes. Incorporate Moringa powder into pasta sauces for a healthful enhancement that boosts both taste and nutrition. Oatmeal. Stir Moringa powder into your morning oatmeal for a nutritious, earthy-flavored start to your day. Get baked goods. Add Moringa to baked items like muffins or pancakes for a powerful plant-based protein lift. These suggestions highlight the ease and flexibility of adding Moringa to various meals for a nutritional upgrade.